we, the undersigned members of Parliament from the respective constituencies indicated against our names and comprising more than 50% of all members of Parliament, hereby request for a meeting of Parliament and humbly request the Speaker of Parliament to summon a meeting of Parliament for the consideration of the following proposed urgent agenda. Mr. Speaker, and he supplies a list that they are the people who have signed. The list that he supplies to you, Mr. Speaker, 28 persons have not appended any signature. Mr. Speaker, again, a classical case of misrepresentation. Inusa Abdullah Hussein, we are told you have appended your signature. You have not. The
honorable members, order.
The Honorable Adam Mutawakil, we are told you have appended your signature. You have not. The Honorable Alasan Swalihu Gandawa, the Honorable Ngaka has said you have appended your signature. You have not. Honorable Bashir Hussein. So clearly, what we have before us is incompetence. It's a very incompetent motion which cannot be entertained by this House. People should grow in this House and they should learn the procedures of this House. If they want to come properly, just so that nobody will think that anybody has done anything untoward. This House should stand prepared, once the proper thing is done, to go into the matter. But certainly not on this leg at all. Very wobbly legs. Very wobbly legs. This is a veritably incompetent motion that has been submitted by.
Thank you very much.
So I would urge and pray you to dismiss this. Let them come properly. If they come properly, even today, we are ready to debate.
Minority Leader Haruna Iddrisu, however, defended the motion.